Is Chiang Mai Thailand's hidden gem? Safe, cheap, and bursting with culture? Let's find out. Somewhere in the north of Thailand, cradled by mountains and wrapped in a gentle golden light, there is a city unlike any other, Chiang Mai. A place where ancient temples whisper the stories of centuries past, and where modern life flows at the unhurried pace of a gentle river. Here, time feels different. Days begin with the soft sound of temple bells, afternoons are filled with the aroma of sizzling street food, and nights are lit by lanterns drifting into the sky. But behind the beauty, Chiang Mai holds secrets, some that will make you dream of moving here, and others that might make you think twice. Chiang Mai was founded in 1296 as the capital of the ancient Lanna kingdom. The city still wears its history proudly, surrounded by remnants of old walls and a moat that once defended it from invaders. But beyond the bricks lies the soul of a people, welcoming, humble, and deeply connected to their Buddhist traditions. Every November, the night sky explodes into light as thousands of glowing lanterns rise carrying wishes and prayers into the heavens. It's magical and spiritual. This is Chiang Mai, a city where the past is not forgotten, it's celebrated. Chiang Mai, Thailand's second largest city, is home to 1.2 million people known for their warmth and Lanna pride. Founded in 1296 as the capital of the ancient Lanna kingdom, it's nestled in the mountains at 1,100 feet, offering a cooler climate, 70 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit or 21 to 29 degrees Celsius, than Bangkok. Named the best city in Asia for 2025 by Travel and Leisure, it blends ancient traditions with modern creativity. Why visit? It's cultural. Over 300 temples like Wat Phra Doi Suthep draw spiritual seekers. It's relaxed. The laid-back vibe and artisan cafes in Nimen attract digital nomads. It's natural. Nearby national parks like Doi Inthanon offer waterfalls and treks. Web sources highlight its affordability and vibrant markets, though some note seasonal air pollution. For travelers, foodies, or nomads, Chiang Mai's Lanna soul is magical. Cost of living in Chiang Mai. Visuals. Footage of apartments in Nimen, street food stalls at Woroat Market, and co-working spaces in the Old City. Clips of songtaos and private clinics. Is Chiang Mai affordable for travelers, digital nomads, or expats? Absolutely. A single person can live comfortably on $600 to $1,200 a month, 20,000 to 40,000 THB, 30 to 40% cheaper than Western cities like Seattle. Here's the breakdown. Housing. A one-bedroom apartment in the Old City or Nimen costs $200 to $500. Outside tourist areas, $150 to $300. Food. Street khao soi or sai ua costs $1 to $3. Restaurant meals are $3 to $8. Monthly groceries are $80 to $150. Transport. Songtas or red trucks cost 80 cents to $1.50 per ride. Grab rides are $2 to $5. Monthly transport, $20 to $50. Motorbike rentals are $7 to $10 per day. Utilities. Electricity, water, and high-speed internet total $50 to $100 per month. Entertainment. Movie tickets are $4 to $6. Gym memberships start at $20 per month. Healthcare. Private clinics like Chiang Mai Ram Hospital offer consultations for $15 to $30. Dental cleanings cost $10 to $20. Expats recommend international insurance, $50 to $100 per month, for emergencies, as public hospitals can be slow. Pros. Low costs, fast internet, and nomad hubs like Nimen. Web sources praise $400 a month studios in the Old City. Cons. ATM fees, $6 per withdrawal, and burning season pollution, February to April. Chiang Mai is a budget-friendly haven for slow travel. Key points. Low cost of living, $600 to $1,200 a month. Affordable housing, food, and transport. Quality private health care, insurance advised. Is Chiang Mai safe for tourists? Chiang Mai is generally safe for tourists in 2025, with precautions. The city welcomed 2.5 million tourists in 2024, and tourist police in the Old City and Nimen ensure safety. Petty theft like pickpocketing is the main concern, with 40% of incidents at markets like the Night Bazaar. Violent crime is rare, with Chiang Mai's crime rate lower than Bangkok's. Safety concerns. Theft. Pickpocketing occurs in crowded markets or songdaos. Use crossbody bags and hotel safes. Avoid flashing phones or cash. Scams. Overpriced taxis or fake tour guides target tourists. Use Grab, $2 to $5, or book tours via Viator. Health. Tap water is not potable, buy bottled water, 50 cents per liter. Malaria risk is low, but use repellent in rural areas. Burning season, February to April, causes air pollution. Wear masks if visiting then. Motorbikes. Accidents are common. Wear helmets, $1 per day rental, and drive cautiously. Safety strengths. The Old City and Niman are safe day or night. Private hospitals like Chiang Mai Ram offer quality care, $15 to $30 visits. Numbeo's 2024 Safety Index ranks Chiang Mai safer than Miami, score 60.3. Web sources praise walkable areas but warn about motorbike risks. With vigilance, Chiang Mai is a secure gem. Key points. Generally safe with petty theft as the main issue. The Old City and Niman are tourist-friendly. Use Grab, secure valuables, and avoid burning season. Is Chiang Mai Thailand's hidden gem? Safe, cheap, and bursting with culture? Let's find out. Some main issue. The Old City and Niman are tourist-friendly. Use Grab, secure valuables, and avoid burning season.
Cultural festivals and local crafts. Chiang Mai's culture shines through its festivals and crafts. Yi Peng and Lai Krathong November. Lantern releases and floating krathongs create a dreamy scene. Free to watch, events at Nawarat Bridge. Book hotels early. Songkran, April. Thailand's water festival with street parties in the Old City. Free, water guns cost $3 to $10. Join the fun. Flower Festival, February. Parades with floral floats in the Old City. Free, food stalls cost $1 to $5. Less crowded than Yi Peng. Local crafts. Buy silver jewelry, $5 to $20, or hand-woven textiles, $10 to $30. At Wat Sri Supan or Nimon's NGFM Night Flea Market. Try a silver making workshop, $20 to $40. Web sources highlight Songkran's energy but suggest avoiding burning season, February to April, for better air quality. Key points: Yi Peng, Songkran, and Flower Festival for cultural immersion. Silver and textiles as authentic souvenirs. Free or low-cost festival access. Insider tips for visiting Chiang Mai. Here's how to thrive in Chiang Mai. Navigation: use Songtaos from 80 cents to $1.50 or Grab from $2 to $5. Google Maps works well, but Old City's alleys need attention. Wear comfy shoes for temples. Safety: keep valuables in a hotel safe. Carry $5 to $10 cash. Avoid rural areas at night. Get travel insurance for medical emergencies. Budget tips: eat at Warorot Market, $1 to $3. Book tours via Viator, $20 to $50. And stay in hostels, $5 to $15 per night. Best time to visit: November to January for cool weather, 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. And Yi Peng. Avoid burning season, February to April, for pollution. Cultural etiquette: greet with sawasdi, cover shoulders or knees at temples, and tip 10% at restaurants. Join locals for coffee, $1 to $3. Tech tip: get a True Move SIM, $5 to $10 per month for data. Use Air ILO eSIM for instant connectivity. Pro tip: stay in the Old City for culture or Niman for modern vibes. Follow @ChiangMaiKaval on X for updates. Key points: easy navigation with Songtaos and Grab, safe with precautions, budget-friendly. Cultural respect enhances local connections. And there you have it, Chiang Mai, Thailand in 2025. The Rose of the North, where ancient Lanna traditions meet modern vibrancy in a city that feels like home. From the golden spires of Wat Phra Doi Suthep to the spicy kick of khao soy, from the magical glow of Yi Peng lanterns to the lush trails of Doi Inthanon, this city has stolen our hearts. We've explored its affordable living. Imagine thriving on just $600 a month. We've uncovered its safety tips, ensuring you can wander the old city or Nimon with confidence. And we've tasted its soul through sayua and mango sticky rice, danced at Songkran, and felt the warmth of its people. Chiang Mai isn't just a destination, it's a feeling, a blend of serenity, adventure, and culture that lingers long after you leave. So, what's calling you to Chiang Mai? Is it releasing a lantern at Yi Peng, learning to cook khao soy, or finding peace at an ethical elephant sanctuary? Maybe it's the dream of living affordably as a digital nomad in Nimon's trendy cafes. Drop your must-do or must-eat in the comments. We can't wait to hear your plans. If this journey inspired you, smash that like button to spread the Chiang Mai love. Subscribe and hit the bell for more Thailand adventures. Next up, we're exploring the hidden gems of Phuket and Krabi. Share this video with your travel crew, your foodie friends, or anyone dreaming of Thailand's cultural heart.